Hello everyone, this is the 7th episode of XY Global's service story. Today, let's talk to our Ida. The story between her and her customers may help you customize your mechanical parts and gain more effective experience.
Hi, this is Ida, and today I will share the service customer story. We have been working with a high-quality 3D printer customer for several years, supporting them through every stage from EVT to MP. As their products have gone through updates and iterations, we adapt to their changing needs to ensure each new project meets their high standards.
What role did the key engineer play in the collaboration?
One key engineer had been with the company for a long time, played a huge role in driving their successful products. We worked closely with him to make precise parts like this that help their products through design and production. Over time, this built a strong, trusted relationship between us.
How did we continue with the collaboration after the engineer moved to a new company?
The engineer moved on a new innovative robotics company. Because of our strong track record with him and the high quality products we provided, he decided to keep working with us at his new company. A new company's focus was on cutting-edge robotics, including a robot dog that became a flagship product, even featured in 2025 US 250th anniversary parade. This being a privilege to keep working with them, solving technical challenges and ensure their products meet the highest standards.
What special experience did we gain from this collaboration?
Looking back, the most valuable experience from this project is that long-term relationships and built on delivery more than just what expected. And not just about the tech, it's about really understanding the customer's needs and responding quickly. This experience has given us more confidence in handling similar projects in the future, and also strengthened our reputation for being reliable and innovative.
Thank you for watching our service story. XY Global, your one-stop, high-value, low-quantity mechanical partner.
Goodbye.